before we put the new jack on. Look how mangled this channel is. It is beyond mangled. Should I cut it out or try and bend it back? We have two incapacitated flatbed trailers with broken trailer jacks. One of them was bent completely off and the other one was out of whack. So we have the new one in place, square and level, preheat, got the machine set, got set up at 9 p.m., didn't finish until 2 a.m. Start welding, get everything tacked up, a root pass, do a second pass and a third pass, verifying everything is correct. And we over-engineered it because the original welds were very skimpy. We also verified the welds on the bottom are good to go. It's not new, it's better than new. It turned out absolutely amazing. Finished up at 2 a.m.